Hey everyone, welcome back to uGenesys. And today, guys, I'm very excited to take you on this journey with me as we try to pass our Quantec challenge here. And I'll be taking you through step by step each day. And today, as of this recording, is the 18th of December. And here on our trading platform, we have our robot that is actually taking the trades here for us in this challenge. And so I'll just be updating you each day as we go along with the progress that we're making. And so I'll just pause for a moment and let you guys take a look at the screen, and you can see the robot taking the trades here for us. And I'll update you at another time. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, we started this challenge about 2 hours ago, and we were at $25,000. Now we're at about $300 in profit. It's usually much faster than this in terms of passing this challenge, but it is December, and we have to remember that the markets are very slow in December when compared to other months. But so far, so good. I think we may pass this challenge today or possibly tomorrow. And so, how this robot works, it will incur a lot of small losses, but the gains, the profits will be significantly larger than the losses. So that's why this morning we are at, wow, look at that go. I'm glad you got that on camera. Alright, so this morning we are at a 10% win rate actually. We have a 10% win rate, but we are in significant profits. So $25,346, and we're waiting for this to hopefully get to $26,000. As you can see, the target to pass this challenge is $27,500. So we are anticipating to be able to hit at least 26,000 today, hopefully. And if possible, oh, look at that go. Wow. If possible, maybe we can hit 27,000 today. Well, let's see. So far, you can see we're at $25,434. Alright. So we're making steady profits. And Quantec is a very reputable HFT prop firm. What I like most about this prop firm is that they allow traders to skip the challenge and just get right into trading a funded account. And as for me myself, I really hate challenges, so I'm definitely looking forward to trading this 25k funded account. And after I get my first withdrawal, I will be purchasing a $100,000 Quantec challenge account. And we are going to pass this using the robot. Alright guys, so I'm going to refresh the trader's dashboard for Quantec, and you'll see real-time progress so far. And so far it's $25,637, just like what we have here. So as you can see, we're getting there. We're getting very close to passing this challenge. We have a profit factor of 6.03. That simply means that all our winning trades are greatly larger than our losing trades. As you can see, we lost 218 trades, but we won 34 trades. So even though the amount of trades that we lost is a higher number, the profits that were taken on the winning trades compensates for all the losses that we have so far. Okay? As you can see, this challenge started 2 hours and 37 minutes ago, so we're just gonna patiently wait for this to pass. So I'm just gonna let this run now so you can see it play out. Alright guys, so this is what the results are so far. $25,800 in 4 hours. So we're about 40% of the way finished, and we'll resume tomorrow. And like I said, it's December, it's very slow, and right now it's 12:47 p.m. The New York session is going to be over very soon. So yeah, very good results so far. Let me just show you my VPS again. And as you can see, we took a lot of trades, alright? We took a lot of trades. And we've made about, let's see, we made $811. $811. So all good so far, all good. So I'll resume in tomorrow's New York session, and hopefully we can pass this challenge either overnight in the London session or in the New York session. So see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, it's Monday, December 18th. Alright guys, so as you know, yesterday we were at $25,800, and today we are finally at $26,000. So we're at the $1,000 profit mark. Let me go back so you can see exactly what our dashboard looks like. And let's refresh. So yeah, this is exactly what's happening right now. Remember, our profit target is 27,500, and we're basically halfway there. You can say that. So let's see if we pass it today. It's possible. We can definitely pass the challenge today, but I'm thinking tomorrow because like I said, it's December and the market is very slow. So I'm hoping to get this wrapped up by tomorrow, Wednesday, because today is Tuesday, December 19th. Tomorrow is the 20th. The market is going to get very slow because everybody's going to be on holiday. So fingers crossed that we do this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to allow you to see it working, and hopefully we can pass this challenge live right in front of everybody. So I'm just gonna let this record right now so you guys can see. Now guys, as you can imagine, we will always have some small losses. Let me just show you. So we have some very small losses here, roughly 60 cents, 1 cent. But whenever we win a trade, it's like $26 or $50 or $100, as you can see. So let me just show you some more history, because like I said, the objective of our Forex robot is to take some very large winners while maintaining very small losses. So that's what we've basically been able to do in order to pass these challenges. Today's profits so far, we are at $380. And guys, remember, this is hands-free. You're not doing anything. So remember, if you are interested in us passing your Quantec challenge, just click the application link below and we'll be able to have a discussion and see what we need to do to take you to a funded account. Now, the cost for our program is very simple. It's a flat fee of $250 to pass your challenge. So if you're trading a 50K challenge or a $200,000 challenge, it doesn't matter. It's the same flat fee because it's the same work that we have to do. Alright, so that's where it's at, because I know it's expensive to buy a challenge and then have to spend another $500 just to pass the challenge. So what we've done is we've created a fixed cost, and we are the only, well, one of the only providers that will pass your challenge for a fixed cost. Usually what other agencies do is that they will charge you based on the account size. But yeah, we don't really care because it's the same work anyway, so it's whatever. So it's going good so far. So yeah, we're just allowing this to run so that you guys can see how our tool works. That's basically all. So far we have $377 profit, and I'm just gonna show you our dashboard again. Yeah, we're halfway there, 50% there. I wish we could pass this on the first day, but the market had other plans. it is what it is. So yeah, let's get this challenge passed so that we can go to our funded account. And I will be excited to show you guys my withdrawal when that time comes. Quantec is a reputable prop firm. They have been around for a long time. Many of my friends who got funded with Quantec, they got their payouts. So I'm looking forward to be able to do a withdrawal and get a payout with Quantec as well. So guys, you're seeing how this works. We're at $417 profit now. I'm hoping that we can just do this and pass the challenge today. I'm really tired of looking at the screen. But let's keep watching. Alright, so yesterday I think we did $800 yesterday. Yeah. And today so far, we've done $470 profit so far. And so it's possible that we'll pass the challenge today. It's definitely possible because we're making profits a lot faster. So who knows? If we make $800 today as well, and then another 800 tomorrow, it'll be fine anyway. Alright guys, so far today we're at $622 profit. It's a very slow day. So like I said, this is the Christmas season basically. So yeah, the market is very slow today. And so yesterday we made $800. Today we made so far $620. But we're gonna stop recording now, and we're just gonna allow the robot to continue running into the afternoon so that we can possibly get some more profits. And then tomorrow we are definitely looking forward to possibly getting that last amount of cash that we need to pass this challenge. Alright, so right now it's Tuesday, December 19th. And so maybe by Thursday, I think the latest, we will definitely pass this particular challenge. Alright guys, so it's Wednesday, December 20th. It's a little bit late in the afternoon, but just letting you guys know that we have passed the challenge. So this morning started off very slowly, and I decided to just let the robot keep running so that we could get what we needed to pass this challenge. Let me just show you the dashboard so far. It shows that we have completed the challenge, phase complete, and I guess I can show you guys this certificate now. And there we are. So we've successfully passed this challenge, guys. And we didn't record this morning session because it was a very slow day, and like I said, it's December, so we didn't expect to pass it today. So all good so far. This is a very big achievement, and you can see the name of our CEO here, Adane Macmillan, and here's also his LinkedIn profile. And this is a very proud moment for us here at uGenesys. So guys, if you are interested in using our services to pass your Quantec challenge, then we are happy to help you guys to do this. And remember, it's one flat fee to do everything. It doesn't matter your account balance or anything like that. Whether you're doing a 25k challenge or whether you're doing a $200,000 challenge, it's the same fee of $250. So everything is good. We're very happy that we passed this challenge, and now we're going to move on to doing a larger account. So we're going to do a 200k challenge next. Alright guys, so see you next time, and happy trading.